So good morning, ma. In today's class, we are going to discuss about 16th problem. The displacement of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of constant force is related to a time t by the equation t is equal to root x plus 3, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. The displacement of the particle when the velocity is 0 is how much displacement you are getting when the particle will attain a 0 velocity. Now I am asking you when the particle will reach some displacement when it accelerates. First point is when it accelerates. When the velocity of the particle becomes 0, when it decelerates. Okay, when it accelerates, its velocity increases. When it decelerates, its velocity decreases, and it becomes 0. Now we are going to find the net displacement. Observe this statement: net displacement when the velocity becomes 0. For that, we need to find out first how many seconds it is in journey. In how many seconds it travels, up to what time. All these things are same. Up to what time this is in motion. First of all, we need to know that. Okay, so here the equation is given like this. First, do one thing: bring this 3 on left hand side, t minus 3 you will get. This will be equal to root x. Now squaring on both sides. When you are squaring these on both sides, this root symbol will be changes into square symbol like this. Do this square and root x whole square. We all know that root x is nothing but 1 by 2 and whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. So how it becomes? X to the power of 1 by 2 whole square. You can write like this from exponents and powers. 2 will get cancelled, you will get the x only. So in easy method, what we are doing here, we are cancelling this square and root. What you are getting? T minus 3 whole square is equals to x. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Root x whole square, how you are getting x? I am going to erase this because it is not needed. Got it? Now we got displacement. Now x is equal to t minus 3 whole square. Now what is velocity? Why we are doing this velocity? He given that. He is asking when velocity becomes 0, how much distance it travels. For that we are going to calculate velocity. D by dt of x, that is equal to d by dt of x is t minus 3 whole square. How it becomes? Right here. V is equal to, this is similar to x to the power of n. Now 2 into t minus 3 or to the power of 2 minus 1, dt by dt you will get 1. That is equal to 2 into t minus 3. So this is your velocity. Now what he is asking? Now at v is equal to 0. What is the displacement? First of all, when the velocity becomes 0, we came to know. When the velocity becomes 0, we need to know. By substituting v is equal to 0 in this above equation, 0 is equal to 2 into t minus 3. Then what you are getting? T minus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to 3 seconds. So when a object is following this equation, its velocity becomes 0 after 3 seconds. When this object which is displacing with this equation, its velocity becomes 0. Our friend came. Wait here. One monkey. You all know this. Very well. So when the velocity becomes 0, when t is equal to 3 seconds, when t is equal to 3 seconds, its velocity becomes 0. Up to that seconds, how much distance it covered or displacement it covered Look, substitute this t value in given equation here or there, wherever it is. Now I am going to substitute this 3 value here. Now when t is equal to 3 seconds, x is equal to t minus 3. T minus 3 whole square becomes, look what happened here. 3 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 0 square. Oh, 0 meters. 0 meters. So here, after traveling up to 3 seconds, its displacement becomes 0. How? Look, we are getting x is equal to 3 minus 3. Displacement is equal to 0. You are getting 0 meters. Okay, note it down. How you are getting? Suppose a object is projected vertically up. And it is coming down in this way and reaches to the same location. Its displacement becomes 0 because it reaches to the same location. One more example I will take. So when object is projected into air, the displacement along x-axis, look, it reaches again x-axis. Is this one. This is the displacement from here to here. Observe this displacement. Both are projected. This is vertically projected. This is inclined projected. In both the cases, here displacement is equal to 0. Here displacement is not equal to 0. So our given problem may be in this way. When it reaches to the same location, its displacement is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. That is, the power of this given equation is 2. You may get the displacement is equal to 0 here. After a certain time, it reaches to the same. When it reaches to the same location, this happened in our case. Okay. Go through this problem. Note it down. This is question number 16. Everyone. Look, our next problem. Moving with the uniform acceleration, a body covers 150 meters during 10 seconds. S10 is equal to, or ST and S nth second. What is the difference between these two? There is a big difference between these two. When a moving object covers S distance in t seconds, your formula will be ut plus half at square. If the same object covers a little distance in S nth second, that formula u plus a into n minus half. Can I write this in t terms? S tth second, u plus a into t minus 1 by 2. These two are different. How they are different? Now I will give you a small example. Suppose the object starts here at O it starts. It covers some displacement in 10 seconds. This may be the displacement from here to here. This may be the displacement. What is distance covered in 10th second? Difference. First second it covers up to here in first second. Second second it covers here up to here. This one only, second. This is a third second, like that. This is distance covered in 10th second. In t seconds it covers the total distance, but in 10th second it covers a small distance. I hope you understand this difference. A moving object covers this whole distance in 10 seconds and this much distance in 10th second. The previous one 9th second. The previous one 8th second. 8th second. So here the big difference between seconds and nth second. N seconds and nth second. Okay. So based on this he given a problem. Based on this he given a problem. What he is saying? He is saying that it covers 150 meters in 10 seconds. For this I will write like this. 150 is equal to, with what velocity it travels? We need to calculate. With what acceleration it travels? We need to calculate. To get this, we are getting two equations from the given hints. That is 150 is equal to u plus or u into 10, not r, u into 10 seconds plus half at square. You can write like this, at square. A into 10 square whole divided by 2. You can write like this. U at square. You can write like this. Got it? Now, by simplifying this, what we will get? 150 is equal to 10u plus 10 square 100 into A divided by 2. Now you can cancel 0, 0, 0 on both sides. How you are getting? By simplifying this. 15 is equal to u plus, look, 2 ones, 2 50s, 1 0 will go, 5a you will get, 5a. This may be your equation 1. A small calculation simplification here. Here 0 cancelled with this 0 and this 0. You can take 10 as a common and you can cancel. You will get a u plus 10a by 2. 2 ones, 2 5s. The same thing you will get. Just to go through this. A simple equation in mathematics. Okay. In nth second, that I mean in 10th second, how much distance it covered? It covers only 24 meters. It covers only 24 meters. This equation belongs to this one, this equation. 24 meters in 10 seconds. 10th second. This is equation. A simple calculation you are getting here. You all need to understand this one. 2 tens, 19 minus 2 into 10. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 by 2 into a you are getting here. A simple calculation by doing LCM also you can do, or in shortcut form 2 into 10, 20 minus 1, 19 into a, 19 into a. All these terms are in numerator and these two in denominator. Do one thing, multiply with these two on both sides, so that you can cancel this. Okay, observe here. 24 into 2 is equal to 2 into u, 2 into 19a by 2. Now just watch what I did here. Both sides I multiplied with the 2. This is multiplied with the 2. This is multiplied with the 2. This is also multiplied with the 2. Then these 2 will get cancelled. And in your remain next statement, you will get 48 is equal to u plus 19a. This is your second equation. This is your second equation. Sorry to you. From these two equations, we will get velocity and acceleration. Look, just a small multiplication. Take 1 into 2. Then how much you are getting? 15 into 2 is equal to 2u plus 10u. This is your equation number 3. Just how much you are getting here? 30 is equal to 2u plus 10u. Why I did this, I will tell you. in your mathematics, when you want to calculate or when you want to get two unknown variables, you need at least two equations. You need at least two equations. By eliminating method or by cancelling method or subtraction method, you can get both the values of two given parameters. Here also I got two parameters, velocity and acceleration. To find these two values, I need at least two equations. I got two equations. By eliminating method, it is very difficult to solve. That's why I select here subtraction method. To do subtraction, I can subtract, or while subtracting, I need to cancel one variable. Here I got a 2u. Here I got only u. So I went a simple calculation here. I can make this u as a 2u by multiplying both sides with 2 so that I can subtract easily. Let me subtract, you can understand this. From 2 minus 1, observe this, 2 minus 1, how much we are getting? 2. 48 is equal to 2u plus 19a. Now 30 can subtracted from this, 30. Second equation can 2u plus 10a. Observe this, I can subtract. Our fourth class problems will be like this. 48 minus 30, 18 I got. 2u will get subtracted because when you are doing subtraction, you must change the signs. When I change the signs, what I got 48 minus 30, 18. 2u minus 2u get cancelled. This is what I want. One variable can cancel. That is why I did a small multiplication. That is what? By multiplying with the 2 this equation. This equation also multiplying with the 2. Okay. So how much I got? 2u will get cancelled. 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10. 9a implies 9a is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 by 9. That is equal to 2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second square. Observe that calculation. If you unable to follow this calculation, send me screenshot. I will explain you. Got it? Now you can substitute this value, any one equation, you will get the value of u. Can I go for equation 1? 15 from equation 1. 15 is equal to u plus 5a. 15 is equal to u plus 5 into a. A is how much we got? 2. So 15 is equal to u plus 10 implies u is equal to 15 minus 10, 5 meter per second. This is how you are getting the value of initial velocity. The value of initial velocity. If you know very well about mathematics, how to solve the given equations, two variable equations, it is very easy to understand this problem. Again, so two problems only today we completed. So I am going to post two videos today. Note it down. So up to problem number 17 was over. Okay, thank you.